The cucumber craze, it's in a jar. Hey everyone, have you heard about the cucumber salad jar? It's everywhere online. This trend has taken social media by storm, and for good reason. People are loving this easy and tasty snack. It's not just a fad, it's a delicious and convenient way to enjoy fresh veggies. It's perfect for hot days when you want something refreshing. Plus, it's so healthy. Packed with vitamins and nutrients, it's a guilt-free treat that keeps you cool and satisfied. Let me tell you all about it. Making a cucumber salad jar is super simple. All you need are some fresh cucumbers, your favorite veggies, and a tangy dressing. This little jar is like a party in your fridge. Imagine opening your refrigerator to find these vibrant, colorful jars waiting for you. It's packed with crunchy cucumbers, bright colors, and a delicious, tangy dressing. The layers of veggies and dressing make each bite a burst of flavor. You can take it on the go or enjoy it at home. It's perfect for lunch at work, a picnic in the park, or even a quick snack at home. Trust me, once you try it, you'll be hooked. The combination of convenience, taste, and health benefits makes it a winner. So why not give it a try and join the cucumber salad jar craze today? Cool as a cucumber. What's inside? Let's dive into the refreshing world of cucumber salad and discover what makes it so special. So, what makes this salad so special? It's not just any ordinary salad. It's a symphony of fresh ingredients that come together to create a delightful and healthy dish. It all starts with fresh cucumbers. These green beauties are the star of the show. We carefully select the freshest cucumbers to ensure the best taste and texture. They're super hydrating and low in calories. Cucumbers are packed with water, making them perfect for keeping you hydrated, especially on hot days. Plus, they're low in calories, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. Cucumbers are like nature's little water balloons, keeping you feeling refreshed. Their high water content helps to keep you cool and refreshed, making them an ideal ingredient for a summer salad. We add some thinly sliced red onions for a bit of zing. The red onions not only add a sharp, tangy flavor, but also a beautiful color contrast to the green cucumbers. And for a pop of color and extra flavor, we toss in some cherry tomatoes. These little gems burst with sweetness and add a vibrant red hue to the salad. You can also add fresh herbs like dill or mint. These herbs bring a fresh, aromatic quality to the salad, enhancing its overall flavor profile. They make the salad extra fragrant and delicious. The combination of fresh cucumbers, red onions, cherry tomatoes, and herbs creates a salad that's not only tasty, but also visually appealing. It's a perfect dish for any occasion, whether it's a family gathering, a picnic, or just a healthy meal at home. So next time you're looking for a refreshing and nutritious dish, remember this cucumber salad recipe. It's simple, delicious, and sure to impress. Shake it up. Jar salad made easy. If you're looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious meal option, jar salads are the way to go. They are perfect for meal prepping, taking to work, or enjoying at home. The best part? This salad is so easy to make. You don't need any special skills or fancy equipment. Just a few fresh ingredients and a mason jar. Just grab a mason jar and start layering. It's a fun and creative process that you can customize to your taste. First, the dressing goes at the bottom. This is crucial because it keeps the rest of the ingredients from getting soggy. This keeps the cucumbers crunchy. You can use any dressing you like, whether it's a tangy vinaigrette or a creamy ranch. Next, add the onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, and herbs. These fresh vegetables add a burst of flavor and color to your salad. Close the lid tight and give it a good shake. This helps to mix the dressing with the vegetables, ensuring every bite is flavorful. That's it. Your salad is ready to chill in the fridge. This step is important because it allows the flavors to meld together. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes so the flavors can blend. If you have more time, let it sit longer for an even tastier salad. The longer it sits, the tastier it gets. When you're ready to eat, just open the jar, give it another shake if needed, and enjoy your fresh homemade salad. It's that simple and delicious. Flavor burst. Mix it up. Want to get creative? Go for it. You can add your favorite veggies to this salad. How about some bell peppers for sweetness or some crunchy celery? For an extra protein boost, try adding chickpeas or some crumbled feta cheese. You can even toss in some cooked quinoa or rice to make it a complete meal. The possibilities are endless. Jar-licious and good for you. See, this cucumber salad jar is a total winner. It's easy, delicious, and good for you. It's the perfect snack or light meal to have on hand. Plus, it's so convenient to pack for work or school. So ditch those processed snacks and give this jar salad a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.